Hey guys, so you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to use tables on Canva. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share and click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much. You guys are the real deal. Okay, thank you for keeping me busy here on YouTube. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create tables on Canva. So if you're a content creator, you create digital products on Canva and you find it very difficult to create tables, okay, Canva now has a feature that enables you to create tables and add to your content. All right, so let me show you how to go through. So this is our page. So let's say we want to work on this particular page. I'm just going to zoom in so you see what I'm working on. So this is our page. So the next thing you want to do is to go to elements and then search for tables. Okay, search for tables and you're going to see various styles of tables. So we have the first one here, which is just the normal table, and then you have other styles. So let me show you how to go through it. So I'm going to take this one you're seeing here, this table here. So this is a 3 by 4 table, that is 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay, these are the rows and then these are the columns. So like this now, let's say we need a column of 4. Okay, how do you go about it? All you need to do is to click here and then you see add column before. Okay, so you have 4 columns now. So if you still want to add rows, all you need to do is to click on this other side here and you add rows. Okay, so that is how you add rows and then add columns. So if you also want to delete rows or delete columns, just repeat the same process and then you see option to delete. You can see, just click on any one here, click here, and then you have options to delete column. Do same for rows and then you have option to also delete rows. Okay, so that being said, how do you customize it so that it could look really amazing? So I'm just going to come here. Let's assume we want to create this table for names of people. So right here I'm going to type something like serial number. Okay, so I'm going to number here as 1, here should be 2, here should be 3, and here should be 4. Okay, so here should be the names, this should be date of birth, and then this should be scores. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. If I want to increase the size of this thing, I just need to drag it. Okay, I'm also going to drag here. Okay, and then you know the option, the feed for name ought to be wider than the rest of them, right? So this is what I'm going to do. So I can still increase the size from this side and drag it this way. Okay, so that being said, I can also change the font style. Okay, I want the font style to be something really good. So I select everything. So just select everything once. So I selected everything, so I'm going to change the font to this. So you can see now, so I can also increase the size if I want to. So let's say the size is 18. Okay, so I might just reduce this a little bit, reduce the name. Okay, so I could just put the names I want here and then align left, align left. So here can be Waka. This is actually my friend's name. Okay, Joy Para. Ferdinand Eze. Okay, Okay, so just input that date of birth. So let's say date of birth is 0209 2020. So I'll just copy this to save our time and then paste on all of them. So let's just say all of them were born on the same date. Okay, so their scores, I could just say their scores should be 2, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so if I want to beautify this table you're seeing here, this is what I'm going to do. I'll just click on this row. Okay, so you come here, and then you see option to add color. Okay, so that's for the outline. So I could just select again. You see the fill color here. Can you see now? So if I want to select everything here and then select a particular fill color, then I'm going to change the text color to be something white that will be visible. So you can see what I just did now. Okay, so the box outline, I can as well change the outline for the box and then say this box outline should be white also. You can see now, you can see. So I'll just come here again and then select the box outline to be all white. So you can see now. So that is how you use your Canva to generate tables for your content. It makes it very, very easy. So instead of you trying to manually create your tables, use this feature on Canva and thank me later. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe so you can get access to more videos on this channel. Okay, thank you for watching.